Once upon a time, there was a girl named Taylor. She met a guy named Travis, and they fell in love. Travis was a football player, and Taylor was a singer. They both had their dreams, but they also had each other. They worked hard and they played hard, and their love just kept getting stronger. They were the perfect match, and everyone could see it. Taylor and Travis, the perfect story of love. They overcame the odds, and they proved to everyone that love can conquer all. Now they're living happily ever after, and we all know it's true, because Taylor and Travis, they're the perfect example